In this video I'm going to show you how to remove background from image on iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And you have to be on iOS 16 or above enabled to do that. If you are still on iOS 15, hit Settings, hit General, hit Software Update, and there check if iOS 16 version is available for you, and after that hit download and install that version, and after that you are able to remove background right from your photo gallery. You can select any photo for doing that. I'll select that one, and now all you have to do is tap and hold on the object that you want to cut off from this photo. I'll select that person's as my object, and now you see what happened. I tap hold, and when I move my finger you see that small person icon moved with my finger. So do not put off your finger from the screen, and using another finger you can open up anything you want, like Messenger or Notes. For example, I'll use Notes to show you how it works. Let's create new note, and then I can put off my finger to pass the image here. You can see that it's basically an image with white background. And guys, that's how it works. You can use I can show you how to use it again with another image like that. Make sure you turned off live mode first, that's important, and after that you can tap and hold at any object, and now you see that another object was just cut off from the photo. And now you see how it works. It works pretty good, and you can try how this feature works with your own pictures. But first, like this video and don't forget to subscribe.